Dorothy says you can draw on the screen. Oh, what's this? Oh, yeah! Now you! Draw with Elmo with your fingers. Ooh, pretty. Beautiful! What is Mr. Noodle doing? Let's see what else Mr. Noodle does. Show Dorothy how you play. Dorothy thinks that's so funny. Oh, very nice. Wow! Boy, look at you go! Oh, fun! Oh! Yeah, baby! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! So that's how you play with a pet. You did it! Can you count the mice sitting on cheese? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 mice sitting on cheese all together. And 1 lamb riding a skateboard. Oh, great counting, everybody. Oh, what's that? Oh, it's Tablet. Come to Elmo, Tablet. Tablet, where you going? Come on, come down, Tablet. Hey, Tablet. Oh, Tablet, Elmo wants to know, what can be a pet and what can't? Which one makes a good pet? A rabbit or lettuce? You're right. A rabbit is a pet, not lettuce. But rabbits like to eat lettuce. Which one makes a good pet? A chair or a cat? Yeah! A cat is a pet, not a chair. But a cat can sit on a chair. Which one makes a good pet? A monster or a hamster? Yeah! A hamster is a pet, not a monster. But a monster can have a pet hamster. Okay, last question. Which one makes a good pet? A fish or a hat? That's right! A fish is a pet, not a hat. Thanks, Tablet. Elmo wants to learn more about pets. How do we find out more? Wow! That's right! Tablet can show us videos about pets. Pick a video. Oh, let's watch another.
Well, Chucky Sue is really nice, Telly.
Nice? She's more than nice. She's athletic. She runs in her little wheel all the time. 20 by 2s. Right, Chucky Sue?
How about a different video?
I like almost everything about fish. I like the way they look. Fish are pretty cool. I just like to draw fish.
Thank you, Tablet. Bye-bye. Choose something to play.